Today I'm making nice cream. Hi, I am eating the peach nice cream right now. I stopped eating ice cream about 6 months ago. All the sugar and all the additives and everything. My health has really been going down, and it's not just from ice cream. A lot of it is from sugar, fattening food, and processed food. So this is a really good option if you have a lot of problems with allergies. So if you deal with a lot of allergies, maybe milk allergies, or you can't handle a lot of sugar, or if you just want to eat healthier, nice cream is really yummy. And the kids really like it. And I love it. I love that I can eat something sweet that's not going to make me sick. This nice cream has the banana and the frozen peach and almond milk. The reason I love to put the banana on there is because it gives it the creamy texture. And it also adds natural sweetener. Lindsay, try the nice cream.
Okay.
What do you think? You like that one? This is the peach nice cream. Peach banana.
Cold.
It's cold?
Brain freeze.
Yeah.
Again.
I'm making some nice cream. This one has honeydew melon, frozen honeydew melon, frozen banana, and cinnamon basil, and about a cup of almond milk. It's not coming out. It's not very nice. Get out. All right, I'll get a spoon. Okay, this nice cream is ready. Let me go see if Josh wants it. He's riding his scooter out here. Joshua, I made you nice cream finally. It's a little different than the last one you tried. Tell me what you think. You're bleeding. We'll get a Band-Aid.
Love it.
Love it? Can you tell what flavors they are?
Melon. Plum banana.
There's no plum in this one. I ran out of plum.
Melon banana. Honeydew melon.
Honeydew melon, banana, and cinnamon basil.
Oh.
Love it?
Yeah. Oh, now I taste the best basil.
Josh, what do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing? You like that
Can I
one?
have one?
There's more. Tell the fly to go away. There's more. I'll go get some more. Say cheese. Somebody's trying out for competitive basketball soon.
Then she just.
Super excited. Okay, Lindsay wanted some. You can tell it's still summer here because everybody's outside. Lindsay, come get it. Still eating his nice cream. What does he say? Does he
Meow.
like it?
Oh, where's mine? Oh, there's mine.
Tell me, that one's a new flavor. Tell me what you think. You dork, you haven't even tried it. You like it? I keep calling you a dork. You are the most beautiful dork in the whole world. Does that make it better? Do you like it? We shall watch him again.
I'm gonna get rid of your fans. What's in this Lamborghini Sienna FKP37?
Do you understand the turtle? I do not understand the turtle. Let's hear him again.
Lamborghini Sienna FKP37, Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, Lamborghini Senza FKP30. Wait, what?
Do you... Can you know how to translate that?
Lamborghini
I heard that part.
Senza SV12.
Oh.
No.
What's your favorite car?
SV12. Lamborghini Sienna FKP37.
Oh. What's your second favorite?
Lamborghini Centenario Roadster.
Oh. He asks me every day what my favorite car is, and I say yellow. I love you, Joshua. You like your ice cream?
Yeah.
I meant nice cream.
Yeah.
Tell them to have fun with it.
Just have fun with it.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey Ethan, what do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing? What are you
made
eating with?
I guess it's a coffee teaspoon.
Oh, we don't even drink coffee.
I know.
So it's a spoon?
Yeah, I made it into a spoon now.
This is called Nobody Does Dishes, so we'll just find something, right?
Yeah.
Tell me the flavors. What do you think's in it?
Plum.
No plum this time.
Well, I know there's banana.
Banana, because the banana adds the sweetener.
Basil.
Cinnamon basil. What else? It's green and it's a melon.
I know it's not watermelon.
Honeydew.
Honeydew melon?
Yeah. Give a really big,
Oh.
slobbery bite. That was pretty good. Of all the ice cream recipes that I've tried, my kids seem to love the frozen bananas and frozen plums the most. So there's frozen plums and frozen bananas and almond milk. And the kids just keep asking for this one. I keep putting lots of different varieties in there and they just keep saying, that was the best one, Mom. So I'm sticking to it. Plums are extremely easy to freeze. Bananas are extremely easy to freeze. And then just milk of choice. If you can't get the blender to even move because it's so thick, just add some more milk. And I love to take a knife and just kind of stir it back in. I also I'll take and chop the fruit if it's too thick. Make sure your blender is off while you do this. So here's the nice cream. This one's what Audrey and Josh like the most. It has the plum and the banana in the nice cream. Please taste. Is that the one you like the most?
Yeah, this one's good.
Good. Okay, so now I have some nice cream ready. And there's Honey Bunny in our backyard by our tree. Josh, you said you wanted to try this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, come get this nice cream. Okay, he's gonna come down here.
Let's see. This looks good. Surprise. Is this with plum again?
Yeah, this one's with plum again.
And banana?
Plum and banana. What do you think?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Are you gonna eat the whole thing?
All day.
All day. Thanks, bud.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Every child should eat ice cream in a tree. What do you think of those flavors, Linz? You like them?
How without?
Honey flavor. I don't, super good. Ice cream.